Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. Antibacterial wet wipes. Guess where I was? I just came out of Goodwill, picked up a few things. I'm allergic to dust too, apparently. That was a dirty store. And by dirty, I just mean there was dust everywhere. But I got some fun stuff I wanted to share with you. And then I have some footage after this. I went to an antique store. So here's the fun thing. I love going to these antique stores that have all the little booths that different people bring stuff in. And I go all over Kingdom Come to get one. Because I had no idea there was one like 2 miles from my house. I'm trying to get something out of here to clean it up. But I did find one 2 miles from my house. And I went to it. So I have some footage at the end for you. Taking the price tag off. So I do my kitchen in gingerbread in the winter time, at Christmas time. Look what I found. It's a picture. I know. I don't know what the brand is. Oh, Bazaar's something. It's hand wash only, which is fine. I'm not planning to use it as like a picture. So it's just gonna be a display piece on my shelf in my kitchen. Isn't that super cute? And it was $5.99. I don't know what color was on sale. I never find them. And nothing I got was on sale. So this was $5.99. I'll put this sticker right here. Goodwill is notoriously expensive, I think, for the thrifting world, since literally everything is given to them. But what do I know? I'm going to throw this away. It's a little piece of candle. I'll just leave it in here for now. But let's wipe this off. Like this was $2. But I wanted it. Because, and there was 4 of them, but I don't need 4. What I do with these little things is I put wool balls in them and make them little tiny pin cushions. And I decorate my like sewing area and they're little pin cushions. And I liked his face the best. And on the back it says Merry Christmas. But it's just a snowman. I have Mrs. Claus. I don't know if I have Santa. I don't know. This is obviously a candle holder, but it'll get wool stuff down in there. And then I can stick needles in it. I know, so cute. I'll wash it in my sink when I wash the pitcher. And then I got for $5.49. It says, on Wednesdays we wear pink. And it's from the movie Mean Girls. And I love that saying. And so I needed this t-shirt. And it was $5.49. I will take it home and wash it. It's from Maurice's. I don't know what. I hope it's not all cotton. It's 60%. So I probably won't dry it. And I'm hoping it fits. It's an extra large, so it should. So I grabbed that. And then the best thing I got, well, I like it all, but if you are familiar, I gotta wash this out when I get home, with 31, the brand, this is one of their tote bags. Now, I actually have one in navy blue and white stripe that was $30. And I got this for $5.49. And this is fantastic when I'm thrifting, yard sailing, grocery shopping, traveling. Like when I go to my cross-stitching retreats, I'll put stuff in here and I can just carry it, and it has some structure. There's a metal frame in here. I love these bags. I have one that I got years ago from Target, but I'll clean all this out when I get home. The wire broke, so I'm going to get rid of that one and keep this one. I also use them in my living room when I'm doing Dollar Tree hauls, so I can move the stuff and then take it upstairs. So the total that I spent at the Goodwill was $19.84 today. I know. It's a zit gone awry, friends. It is a zit that got really angry. Yes, we're talking about my nose. And then I'll throw in at the end too if you have any interest in seeing. But I was at the football stadium last night, but it was for hockey. It was the stadium series. The NHL does a stadium series game every year, and we got to host it this year. It was so stinking cold. I thought I was going to die. It was so cold. My feet hurt. My elbow, my body hurt. I was so cold. Whining. But I will insert at the very end of this video some footage of the stadium and what it looks like when the NHL comes in and sets up a hockey rink in the middle of your football field. There were 90,000 fans in attendance last night, and we played. So the fun thing is, so if you're not aware, little story time, there's a big rivalry between Ohio State and Michigan. Not Michigan State, but the University of Michigan. With the big M. It doesn't matter. We don't like them. I don't care who they are. And they don't like us. I mean, it's okay. It's a mutual rivalry. So the Blue Jackets are from Columbus, obviously. They're the Columbus Blue Jackets. Well, not obviously, but they're the Columbus Blue Jackets. And we play the Detroit Red Wings and Detroit, Michigan. But it was a home game for us, so we got to pull out all the stops, and the band was there, and it was a kind of a blend between hockey and, Ohio State sports. In the first period, they played 21 Pilots, had a concert for 25 minutes. Who knew? I mean, I knew, but, at a hockey game. And then the second intermission, they honored the football team, the national champion cheer squad, and the national champion women's ice hockey team. They all got honored at the second period. So it was fun. Brutus was there. Stingers was there. That's the mascot for the Blue Jackets. So I took a little bit of footage. I'll throw in what I got at the end because I wasn't taking my gloves off. I was cold. And I had on a heated vest that ran out of power because I had it on high the whole time. So I'm tired today. Here's my gloves that I wore, my ski gloves. But I'm going to look for a pair of heated mittens. I think that'll be my next investment for football season. Heated mittens. Oh, here's the hat we got to wear. So we were all given a hat that we had to wear. And this is the logo for the stadium series. But they did as in the Ohio State, the stadium series of 2025. So we were all given, it's a nice beanie too. It's fleece lined. So super nice. This was part of our uniform. And I bought a pin with this logo on it. It was $10. I was going to buy a sweatshirt with that logo on it, except for it was $90. You heard me. $90 for a sweatshirt. I said, no, thank you. I don't need your sweatshirt. Even though I wanted to just put it on because it was so cold, but I didn't. All right, so that's everything. Enjoy the footage of some of the stalls that I show you at the antique market. Some of the places were really dark, so I couldn't get good footage, but I just took a little video to kind of show you. But this place was huge. I was in there for 2 hours. And then some of the football footage if you want to stick around to the end. But this is Sunday, and this is my thrift haul for today. I'm really trying in 2025 to buy thrifted items and secondhand because I think it's better for lots of reasons, but, trying to save some money this year. So I do have a Dollar Tree haul coming up, and and then Friday maybe I'll find a DIY. I'm going to pottery class tomorrow night. I wonder if I can get any footage in there. We'll see. All right, guys. I'll talk to you. Hey, guys. So I found an antique store. I mean, it really wasn't lost, but I go by this place every single night on my way home from work when I go to the office for the past, 10 years. I don't know how long this has been here, but I'm just saying. I had no idea this nondescript building is this huge antique store. And when I say huge, I walked the whole thing and it took me 2 hours. I'm just giving you a little insight to what each of the little stands looks like. But there's, each little section is a different seller. They go out, they collect the stuff, they bring it here, and then they resell it. So a lot of collectibles. Like this booth here was all Corning, Corel, Pyrex, Tupperware, but very expensive. Very, very pricey. We're going to come back on a piece that I love. And actually, I'm looking for a refrigerator set. That blue and white in the middle, I love it. That tealy color. I want a refrigerator set with the glass top, but I'm not willing to spend $150 either. So there's that. But it was fun to look at. I can't even imagine where they collect all of this stuff. I'm assuming estate sales and yard sales and the like, which we're going to hit up a bunch of yard sales this summer. This freaked me out. This cat, it's puffy and fluffy under that plastic or glass cover. I didn't touch it. That pot is cute. You know, I love me some cats. But that plate freaked me out. And then this seller, all they had in their entire section was uranium glass under black light. It is very cool. It kind of scares me though because it's, well, uranium. This is Fentonware. It's called Cranberry something. Oh my goodness, what I wouldn't do to own a pot, that pitcher and those glasses. $575. Yeah. So it stayed here. But it was beautiful. Now we're at the hockey game, setting up. I'll let you listen to what was going on in the background, but I hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Welcome to the show in Columbus, Ohio.
And now, to perform the anthem of the United States of America, the Ohio State University Athletic Band. Direct your attention to center ice for today's ceremonial patron. Please welcome the 17th president of the Ohio State University, Ted Carter. He has joined our players.